My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the site defenseprogram.com. This is the website that displays pretty scary messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website defenseprogram.com tells that your PC might be infected with viruses. It also says some other scary messages, and it tries to trick you into clicking on this Proceed Now button or simply Proceed button. Clicking on this button is dangerous because you may be redirected to some other junk content, some other deceptive websites that may promote a totally different software. So if you click on that button, as I said, you may be brought to some other dangerous resources. Also, this website, defenseprogram.com, tries to trick you into clicking on the Allow button to show even more ads on your screen. By the way, if the Allow button was clicked, you should fix the issue. Go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay careful attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this defenseprogram.com, make sure you remove it from the list. And also remove other junk sites from this list. Finally, we recommend researching your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, and this is the way the program looks like. So begin scanning your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.